Artificial intelligence has already transformed the digital world. Now, it is leaving the screen and entering our farms. Designed for physically demanding work, these machines can dig, lift, inspect, and harvest crops with consistent precision. Above the field, AI-powered drones monitor plant health, moisture, and possible disease before the damage becomes visible. Precision systems deliver water and treatment only where they are needed, reducing waste and helping farmers manage more land.
The future of farming will not be powered by machines alone. It will be shaped by people who know how to use them wisely. But will robots replace farmers or become powerful tools in their hands? The answer depends on how people choose to use them.